Let's explore on how to create variations listings on eBay. Let's begin. Now the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the create an account option here. You can choose to have a personal, business, or to simplify the process, you can continue with your Google account. You can continue with your Facebook account, Apple, and provide your full legal name, email, and password. And by clicking the create account button, you're all set. Now, before we begin, let me tell you about when you have a similar items with different variations. You can group them under a single fixed price listing. Now, this type of listing is for closely related items that you have their own distinct variations. Thus, we are going to create a listings with different variations. Say, for example, a different style, a different sizes and colors. Now, for you to be able to do that, you have two options. If you are using the Sellers Hub, you might have a different interface with me because I am using my eBay. Now, all I'm going to do is click on the selling right here. Now, we are going to create a listing from scratch, and from there we're going to create a variation of it. All right, so just follow along. Now the first step is you can choose the item that you are selling. Now you need to type specific keywords like brand, model, or other details. Say for example this one, all I'm gonna do is click on the search button, and from here you will be given a lot of options for you to add, like this one. Right, and obviously you can continue without match if you wanted. Now from here, all you're gonna do is follow the on-screen instruction that matches with the conditions of your item that you're going to sell. Now once you are here, remember, if you sell similar items that differ only by a few characteristics rather than use single item listings, it is better to choose listings with different variations because they are very convenient from you and the buyer, right? So they may also positively affect your sales because of some reasons. Now, just wanted to create or add a new tip that do not add the same item both to a single item listing and listings with variations. Now, say for example, this is your listing, the first listing that you created here on eBay. Now, if you wanted to create a variation of this one, all you're gonna do is in the top right corner, the three dots icon, click on that, click on settings, and here's where the magic happens. If it's not ticked, as you can see, you can control which feature you would like to see on your listing summary, and you can list different variations of the item, including different colors and sizes, limited to qualifying item categories, buy it now pricing format, and other criteria. Now when you click on it, what will happen is, see, when I click on this option, there's changes at the back. It's just grayed out so you can see it visibly, but as you can see, when you click on that, the variations option are here. Now variations are unavailable for this listing, and eligibility is limited to qualifying item categories. Now from here, do not worry because this is just for a test, but if your item is active and it's eligible, you would be able to create a variations of that listing. All right, and that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.